Welcome to TechQuest channel. This is for the Tech by Your Tech. In this video, we will see RT-PCR, how the test is done. Real-time reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. Real-time because this technique allows to see the results almost immediate while the process is still going on. Reverse transcription is the process of converting RNA to DNA because some organisms have only RNA and only DNA can be copied and amplified for the PCR. PCR is a cyclic temperature dependent reaction used to amplify the gene of interest. We will see the multiplex method using two sets of primers and probes to detect the SARS-2 COVID-19 nucleic acid sequences and one set of primer and probe for human RNA as an internal control. In one-step reaction test, reverse transcription and the PCR of DNA reaction in a single reaction tube are 96 well played, which minimize the error and contamination. Initial diagnostic testing for SARS-CoV-2, the recommendations are collecting and testing the upper respiratory specimens, nasopharyngeal specimen, oropharyngeal specimen, nasal mid-turbinate swab, nasopharyngeal wash, aspirate or nasal wash or aspirate. All specimens should be placed immediately into a sterile transport tube containing 2 to 3 ml of either viral transport medium or sterile saline, unless using a test designed to analyze the specimen directly. Sample storage. All samples should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade up to 72 hours. It can be stored below minus 15 degrees centigrade for not more than 10 days. Long time storage if kept below minus 70 degrees centigrade, but repeated freeze and thaw cycle should be avoided. RNA extraction, sample preparation. Lyse and homogenize cells using centrifugation and buffers in order to access the RNA within the cell. Cells are treated with buffer to inactivate RNases that may interfere with the RNA extraction step. RNA within the sample is isolated and separated from other components by one of these three methods: quinidinium thiocyanate, phenol chloroform extraction, paramagnetic particle technology, or silica membrane based technology. The sample is centrifuged to separate the RNA from other molecules within the cell, forms a pellet at the bottom of the vial. The sample is stored in RNases free water used for RT-PCR. The RNA should be free from protein, genomic DNA or enzyme inhibitors such as DNase. An RNA must not be coated with any alcohol which compromises the RT-PCR. Reagents. Each diagnostic kit will have a different reagent preparations and the sample volume according to the standardization, but all the methods will have the following reagents. Buffer creates optimal conditions for enzymes and reaction to take place. It often contains tris HCl, KCl and sometimes magnesium chloride. Reverse transcriptation is an enzyme complement DNA from RNA using nucleotides. Primers. Primers are the short fragments of single-stranded DNA 15 to 30 nucleotides in length that are complementary to DNA sequences that the target region of the interest. It provides a free 3' hydroxyl group to which the DNA polymerase can probe. Tagman probe consists of fluorophore covalently attached to the 5' end of the oligonucleotide and a quencher at the 3' end. The quencher quenches the fluorescence emitted by the fluorophore when excited by cyclic light through Foster resonance energy transfer. As long as fluorophore and the quencher are in proximity, quenching inhibits any fluorescent light. Tag DNA polymerase binds to DNA. It adds nucleotide in the direction of 5' to 3' with the primer, which has the hydroxyl free end. It's a type of thermostable DNA polymerase, can work at higher temperature as well. DNA nucleotide triphosphate bases add to the growing DNA strands by the tag polymerase. The concentration of each nucleotide in the reaction mixture is usually 20 micromoles. It is important to have equal concentration of each nucleotides. Steps in thermocycler. Reverse transcription. Reverse transcriptase adds the base nucleotide to the RNA strand from the sample to make complement DNA. Adds from 3' to 5' of the RNA. This step takes 10 minutes at 55 degrees centigrade. Initial denaturation. The complementary DNA is separated from the test sample RNA at 95 degrees centigrade for 3 minutes. Third is the DNA polymerase adds the primer and nucleotides to the complementary DNA from 3' to 5'. In this step, we have double strand DNA. From this step onwards, the PCR cycle starts. Each cycle has 3 steps: denaturing, annealing, and extending. PCR stages. Denaturing stage. The reagent is heated at up to 94 degrees centigrade, causes hydrogen bonds between the bases in 2 strands of template DNA to break, and the 2 strands separate. The single strand of DNA act as a template for the new strands of DNA. Usually takes 15 to 30 seconds. Annealing stage. The reaction is cooled to 50 to 65 degree. This enables the primers to attach to the specific location on the single-stranded template DNA. The primers are designed to be complementary to the target sequences to each end of the sequence to be copied. Only when the primer has bound can the tag DNA polymerase enzyme attach the loose nucleotides to make complementary strand. During this step, Tagman probe also attaches to the complementary base, which is cleaved by tag polymerase later. Extending. In the final stage, the temperature is increased to 72 degrees centigrade. The tag polymerase attaches the primer and adds DNA bases to the single strand one by one in the 5' to 3' direction. Tag polymerase also cleaves the Tagman probe by exonuclease activity, which separates the reader and the quencher. It allows the reader to emit light that can be recorded in the instrument. The PCR cycle is repeated to amplify DNA to make millions to billions of copies. It takes 25 to 40 cycles. The fluorescence of all the probes are recorded after each cycle. Since human housekeeping genes are present in all samples, that gives a positive result. It also acts as an internal control in each step of the test. The results are interpreted only if this is positive. All positive samples should give positive result on both target sequences. If one of the target sequence is negative, the test is invalid and should be repeated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Write your comments. Thank you.